Good evening everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to take measurement on ready blouse. Now coming to the blouse, it can be any kind of blouse. This is semi-katori blouse. You can take measurement on katori blouse. You can take measurement on princess cut or 4-dart blouse or single dart blouse. It won't matter much. So let us start taking the measurement. We will be taking some basic measurements like full length, full chest round, full waist round, sleeves length, sleeves round, armhole round, front neck depth, back neck depth, neck broadness, shoulder, and very important measurement, that is a chest length. So let us start. We will start taking measurement for the full length of the blouse, and that we are going to take it at the back side of the blouse. I am taking the measurement in inches today, holding towards the neck part, coming at the bottom, trying to pull this upper layer with those two fingers, because generally we all know that these two fingers have very less strength when we try to stretch it. If we stretch it with full wrist or palm, it will stretch more, but if we take only these two fingers, it will stretch very minimum, as if we are wearing it in the body. So I am holding near the neck part and I am trying to stretch the upper part. I got 12.5, my full length of the blouse. Now coming to the chest round, we will first take measurement on the front part. Coming to the front part, I will put the buttons. That makes our work easy, because clients they sometimes do loose or tight fitting according to their requirement in emergency, and then that affects our measurement. So if we take single separate measurement, that gives something different. So the ideal part is take both the measurement together, and it's very easy also. So hold the tape below the armhole, come to this armhole and try to stretch it little. Stretch it very minimum, very gently, as if we are wearing inside the body. So I got here 18. This is the front measurement. So I will take 18 for the front part, and then I will add into that the back part. Coming at the back side, we have to keep it very nicely. We should not take it more close. If we get this wrinkle or puff, means your setting is not proper. If we stretch more, there are chances of getting wrinkles here, and of course on this part also slightly. So you may get here also, here also. If you take it like this, you may get here. So it should not happen like that. Keep it properly. Make it straight. If it is crushed, iron it and then take the measurement. Now hold it here again as what you did at the back. Front. Same thing. We are going to take it here also, from this corner to this corner. Now front also I got 18, and my back is also 18. My chest round is 36. Sometimes what happens, some people they have some different theory calculation. So for them, the back part will come little lesser and front part will come little more. That is absolutely okay. Nothing to worry in that. End of the day, the fitting will be perfect only. Now coming to the waist round. Waist round, we will be starting from the hook starting point till the loop ending point. We are not going to take this extra part. I'll just show you now. When we put the hook, inside there is some extra cloth. We have to avoid that. So the best part is you put the hook and then take the measurement. It is very easy and perfect you get. It is 14 and half. So I will do 14 and half plus 14 and half. So I got 29 waist round. Now open the buttons. One important measurement here is chest length. For the chest length measurement, take the center part of the body, which is the bust point. Fold it from the shoulder. I'll show you again. The blouse was placed in this way. Hold this point, hold center of the shoulder, and just stick it on this side like this. So you get a shape of the bust. So from this shoulder point till the ending of the bust point, we have to take the measurement. It is 12, and this is called chest length, ending of the bust. After that, belt comes. So this measurement is very, very important. Otherwise, if the bust size is more or cup size is more, and if you take this measurement approximately, the blouse won't fit properly. So this measurement plays an important role. Coming to the neck depth, place the blouse properly. Make sure you don't take it very close. You can see the puff here. Don't spread it more. You can again see the puff here. So place it nicely, gently, and take it straight. You can take it like this, or you can place it like this and just do with take it with the finger. So it is 5.5. This is the best style to take the measurement. Same way, we will take it at the back side also. Again, don't take it more close, you will get a puff. Don't pull it more, again you will get a puff. Keep it properly. Hold it near the neck part. Come at the ending of the neck. Check it with the finger or fold the tape and see. So front neck, back neck, both are done. Now we will be going towards the neck width. So neck width is the part where our neck is placed actually. So we will take this measurement. For this also, make sure you don't come too close. When you come too close, there is a puff. If you take more far, you can see the puff. Try to keep it properly and take the measurement. So 5 I got. 5 is my neck width. Now coming to the shoulder, same thing. Place it properly. Don't stretch more. Don't take near more. And measure your shoulder. So here I am getting around 10.5 something. Coming to the sleeves now. This is the sleeves length. Hold it here. Try to pull it slightly. So it is coming 7.25. Taking the sleeves round measurement, it is 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Whole sleeves round is 10. Taking the armhole measurement. Very slowly you should take 1 inches. I got 7.5. 7.5 in the front, 7.5 at the back. So it will be 15. 7.5 plus 7.5. I got 15. So the armhole round is 15. So this way we have completed our blouse measurement. Thank you.